Good morning. Should I have bought this today? Yeah, I'll wait. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh man, this is a little too thin. Oh man. Well, I guess we have drones and quantum computing, and then also RCAT is apparently quantum computing, and SMCI. Google is now too. I just might as well put this here. What was the other one? They said PSTG just for. Okay, whatever. That's a large cap. These aren't actually quantum computing names, though. Let's remove this. AS, it's a sporting goods company, right? I don't know, the chart, I remember the chart looked pretty good, but give me a second. What was I gonna do again? Oh, what the fuck was I supposed to do? Okay, wait. Oh yeah, it's not actually bad. Yeah, give it a shot. I'm not gonna trade it, though. I don't think I want more exposure right now. Um, it's not bad. It's actually decently liquid, too. Yeah, where do I have this in one of my, where do I have this at? In two? Yeah. Uh, yeah, I rebought app because you have to. I don't know if did I rebuy app on stream? I don't remember. But anyway, do I regret cutting anything? Nope. I mean, it's okay. I'm not that worried about not being in this. Because I just I want to avoid this kind of price action. Like, the fuck is this? I'm done with this one. This is interesting. This is what's most interesting to me. But let's just see how it behaves, right? Can we get another quantum computing PR? These are also quantum computing names, apparently. Who knew? Wait, that's oh, they're both in there already. Okay, are they? Yeah. And I covered my shorts. Looks like they still want to run. Yeah, looks good. I didn't buy shit today. Maybe I could have bought more Semler. Siemenler Scientific. Siemens Scientific, dude. That's what this company does. I'm trying to not sell app, but I don't know. Come on, man. Why can't you just go back up? Tesla's all-time highs, by the way. I don't know if you guys realize this. So EVs maybe soon. I think I need to clean up this watch list. There's a lot of random shit here that's like EV related, like LiDAR company. All these LiDAR shitcos I don't really want. Like shit like Canoe. Or is it Kazoo? Canoe. I got an ARM alert earlier, but that's not really my buy alert. That's just my it's moving alert. What was it? 144? Yeah. That's not a buy for me. You can buy it if it breaks 160s, like here. This is the one that I wish this was more liquid. This is a great idea. You know, this China precious metal ban. That's the thing. The random EV names ended up being noise for the most part. I mean, it's just not that focused, you know. I think I need to split that up into like batteries and charging, EV manufacturers, you know, stuff like that. I already have one for autonomous driving. I don't think I posted that in the Kulamagi server, but like I already slid this one up, right? Look at Uber getting fucking destroyed. Good riddance. It's still good long term, but the list of companies that I know people who work at them that I hate. Or I don't hate them, I just, they're fucking assholes. And I want to see them lose money. I'm petty, you know. Uh, Under your position, Orange has always been just general tech stuff and stuff I don't really know how to categorize. But because I want to use green for EVs, but green is taken by crypto in this one. I don't want to overlap that. But it's not that comp. Don't overthink it. It's yeah, basically what I'm saying. Do I need to buy a starter? Yeah, I can buy a starter. Rebuy my starter. Rebuy my starter. How big of a starter should I get? Fine, let's rebuy it. I'll go. I'll go bug mode when it passes $10. $10. Let's set a hard stop for this. At just fucking low day, dude. I don't want to get raped on this one. What, do you guys see that? Okay, yeah, this is why I don't trade this name. Fucking really? Someone sold $200,000 worth of it, and it dropped 5% or 4%. The fuck? That's such a goddamn shame. Was the other name is MP, right? Like for this theme, it's just fucking bullshit. Yeah, these are. I don't know. Let's bump these back to 2. Let's bump this. No, I just want to watch this one though. Are these doing anything yet? Nope. Peloton flagging, dude. Never thought I'd see the day. 10. If this is even thinner, yeah, I'm not. Is this really antimony? Antimony. Is it the day for December 3rd? Okay. December 3rd. Yes, it is. Good job. Let's just add MP. Might as well. Just, yeah, I have Roku Underwatch. Yeah, I drew a flag here. How can you get the volume with dollar volume like I have? I have this. So I have this in my own script. And then I have it visibility, and I have the. Where is it? No, this is not the right setting. Is it? So this is the right setting. I think it just doesn't show, right? I forgot the way I wrote the script. This is my own script. Someone have it handy? Can someone give it to? Yeah, can someone else help me share this with him? Someone should have it saved, right? But yeah, it's my own script. So like this volume this is what displays it. This doesn't actually display anything. And the reason for that is like I actually just wanted the bars to be dollar volume too, but then like TradingView draws it like slightly higher because this default volume is like a special script or something. So I just added this so I can display it. Anyway. If someone else doesn't give it to you, message me on Discord or something and I'll give it to you. Yeah, I got an alert for this earlier. I'm just not gonna trade it. I got yeah, it's 26, 25. But yeah, this is the setup. It's just like the spread, right, is fucked. I'm not gonna trade it. This cores, man, this is so funny. Everyone was so excited about this stock, and you only really got, unless you just held it, you only got like, if you just, I guess you could buy it here, you make a good one. That's a good trade, right? And then here is not a bad trade. Let's say you get 70%. But like after this, people buying it here, just are they really holding it all the way through, or are they not holding it all the way through? I don't think they're holding it. People get stopped out, keeps going, gets stopped out. People make 14%, and then just kind of churns. Just a Kulimagi Discord, or I don't know. Just go to never mind. There's no like Stugots Discord, and there never will be. So no. There's no Stugots Discord. You gotta add me as a friend. You gotta be a member of the Kulimagi Discord, and then add me as a friend, and then you can message me. You can't add me? Really? Why not? Are you sure? Okay. I swear to God, I get people adding me all the time. I'll look at my settings, but I'm pretty sure you guys can add me. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I don't really care. Maybe it's better that people can't struggling to add me. But I'll take a look. Anyway, fine. I'll post this again here. I just don't want to open this script. Because when I open it, I have to like... I hate this symbol. Because then I have to open something else. Anyway. Alright, so I'm going to go on the Kulimagi Discord. I'm just gonna throw this in my theme watch list, or I'll put no, I'll go to, I'll put it in I'll put it in the scripts folder. I'm trading these scripts. How do I uh how do I add attachments to a journal? Am I retarded? Wait, am I actually stupid? Do I not know how to? Oh right, emojis. I gotta upload some custom emojis for this. Mm, hold on. Mm, now let me check my alerts for real quick. MSTR is going back down. Really? My PNL red? I'm red. Okay, whatever. Dude, why is my trading view lagging so much? Why is it so annoying? You guys see this? It's lagging. What the fuck is going on, dude? Okay, let's just. Okay, it just crashed for everyone. That's so lame. Okay, I uploaded the 3 scripts that are most commonly requested in the journals and groups section of the Kulamagi Discord. So just go there. Let's restart this shit, right? No, it's working again. No, it's not. Okay, this one is working. No, it's all not working. What the fuck? Oh, it is working. No, don't. No, you're welcome. Okay, now I need to open some random, can I open some random script so that I can, no, then it shows this one is, okay. Okay, we open this. There we go. No, it is, how do there we go. Okay, I need to do something. I hate opening these scripts because then it shows the little icon and it just annoys the shit out of me. Anyway, it doesn't, never mind. I just have like ADHD or something. You guys don't want to know what my returns are. It's probably more than you think. I shared it before. I don't feel like saying it. I shared it back in like September. Because ultimately, what's going to happen is, I'm going to be. I just don't want to. I don't want to be contacted by people regarding interviews or whatever the fuck. Dude, come on, man. What just happened? I think it's fine, but I did reopen. I closed all my tabs. Anyway, uh, that's fine, but oh my God, why did you have to do this shit? Oh right, is it uh 3.1? Okay. Did fucking Lagarde say something? I usually don't pay attention to the Euro stuff at all. Lunar cross. Okay. You said IWM? I don't. It's just been grinding down. It doesn't matter. Arc looks fine, guys. Arc is important again. Look at this mega cap. This is I didn't buy this on this day, but I should have, I guess. You could have bought it day 2 and still made 20%. I don't really care, but it's not horrible, I guess. Oh, look like bonds took a shit again. Who would have guessed? Uh, nice. Okay. 80.62. Mm-hmm. Is that a double top, you guys think? Let's see. Can it go to 10? This is a SPAC, right? This was a SPAC. It looks like it. Kathy bought more TEM. This is a big disappointment. This name is kind of annoying as fuck, right? It says building this big range, I guess. I don't know. It's just, what do I want? What do I want? I think I want Rocket Lab again soon. Xena's getting bought up. All right, let's buy it. Start buying just a little taste. Yeah, why not? Just a taste. This is still deceptively thin. Look at this spread. Do I think other quantum stocks could make a? I don't know, man. I think the move for Rigetti is probably nearing a blow off, and I thought that that would weigh down quantum stocks like Amplitech or Lace, Seals. Like these are not really tradable for me anyway. But they're catching bids, which I guess is a good sign. Like this is price, even if this is liquid enough, which I guess it is, it's just the price action is so ass. I would focus on the names I just bought. Drone names and Xena is a quantum name, right? That's just me though. No, like 2% size, actually. No, less than 2%, 1.8% size. And I bought it in like 4 increments. But it's decently liquid now, I guess. See, today it traded $73 million volume, How do I get big positions and stocks like that? I usually don't. I don't know if I'm gonna go bigger than like 3-4% actually on this. But you could buy incrementally. You could buy a little bit. So if it goes down 10% and I have 1% of my account in it or 2% of my account in it, how much do I lose, guys? Right? Like think about it. I actually have 40% of 38% of my account in MSTR. I'm probably gonna start selling some. I want to sell some tomorrow. I did go big into MSTR. On I told you guys I bought a shit ton on this day. And then Upstart, I only have 5.96% of my account. It's just Upstart is a trailer from. I I'm pretty sure I sold it here and I rebought it here or something. I don't remember exactly. I think I rebought it here. I've just been holding it. Wait, when did I rebuy Upstart? No, no, I rebought it like here, here. I just held it like just a little bit. But I bought it here, obviously, and I didn't buy it here. Okay, never mind. But yeah, I have a big MSTR position. I don't do this that often. It's just I think this was after this started bouncing this day. I just bought a lot. I tripled my size because and it looks fine. Yeah, I sold AI because oh, you know what? It looks pretty good now. I might rebuy it. I didn't have much size left, but like I sold it because I sold it at I think end of this day because of this. It rejected these. See the pre-market. I mean the earnings, right? And then to 50, and then rejected, and then anyway. I'm willing to rebuy above 42 if like 40. But yeah, rejected here, which I don't love. But yeah, it's got the Microsoft deal and then a major sale. I don't know what I didn't look into what that was. Well, I bought here, and then I bought and that was to like 14% of my account about, I think, and then I tripled it and then I sold some, I think. Wait, no. Did I not triple it? I didn't triple it. I like 2.5x my size, I guess, and then I haven't sold any. I didn't sell any yesterday. That's right. No, just this candle, I don't know. It's sometimes I get a feeling, and then like Bitcoin did this thing where it kind of shook people out again. I don't know. I saw Bitcoin bouncing here. I just had no, I'm gonna wait for Rocket Lab. I'm gonna wait. I sold the rest of it, I think here on Tuesday. On no, this Tuesday. Yeah. Just I don't think I need to rush back in. Just give it some time. Do I think it's troll? I don't know what you mean by that. You can do whatever you want, man. I do it. I sell into strength. Then you can re-add. If you don't sell into strength, you're gonna have problems holding. I'm not adding. I only have like 3% of my account left in this, so uh I think I sold some more here actually. Or here? I think I sold here. I think I sold here and here. I definitely didn't sell this day, that's for sure. I remember this day, and I sold maybe here and here, yeah, and then I'm just holding the rest. Guys, you can just it's not that hard. Figure out something that works for you. There's a lot of different signals you can use. You can use closing below 30-minute EMAs, hourly EMAs. You can use when this changes color, right? Like this hasn't it's a lagging indicator, but this hasn't changed color yet, right? So like anyway, it's just don't overthink it, dude. Sell some, keep some. Sell some, keep some. Don't overthink it. You're never gonna get it perfect. A rubric? Yeah, I have it under my top one of my top watches. I just haven't been able to find a good entry into it. Oh yeah, I meant to set an alert for this. Thank you for the reminder there. But yeah, it's obviously strong. And some fucking one of those FinTwit retard clones, the guys who like make their Twitter look like a LinkedIn page. I hate those guys. They said this was extended, so I think there's a good chance you can go. How much open risk am I willing to take on new positions? I don't have an answer to that question. If there's a lot of setups, if something is happening, I take a lot of positions. Simple as. It's not that common that I'll go like from zero to bug mode in a day, but sometimes you gotta add heavy, right? Look at this Asana, dude. This is great. I love this. This is gonna be good soon. It's like gap above this like first level, and then start basing below this like this is the key level, right? And this 26 is. SoFi rejected. Okay. Yeah, if you find yourself having trouble buying earnings, okay? If you find yourself having trouble buying earnings, you can just wait. If you miss something, you can also just wait. There's never there's always a chance to rebuy in my opinion, or to buy more. Man, this weekly was so good. I mean, like some of the best liquid stocks do this on the weekly. Like Rocket Lab did this too, right? It kind of well, Rocket Lab also had this level to contend with, but the 560s level, right? And then it three candles to retest, right? So you reject, three candles to retest. First level, second level. Same here. First level, right? Little secondary level. Four candles, retest, and then it goes. This is obviously slower, but you get the point. All right, we're looking good. This might take some more time though. Like, right, like the sevens level seems like it's got to clear, right? Well, this is the next stock that I think I'm gonna try to buy, even though it's not that liquid, but whatever. These drone names, man, they're really going bug mode. I gotta stop saying this. I gotta stop saying bug mode. What the fuck is wrong with me? It's just a new iteration of goblin mode. Yeah, I seen that tweet. But it's I seen other people say it too, but that one was particularly funny. Although I think he might be a patsy, I don't know. Dude, what the fuck? Okay. No, nice. My Xena position is in the money, and so is UMAC. Might add a little bit of UMAC, I think. I'll add a little bit of both. Oh, no, actually, this is still pretty thin, right? Did it trade less than 10 at any point? No, not after this. Damn, bro. There's something to be said to still be in this. I feel like maybe I should have trailed some more with the 30-minute EMAs, but I don't know. It's, like the price action of the other names was kind of concerning. Of course, this just comes straight the fuck back. Good thing I didn't hold my short down. What would be your best advice to a new trader who misses as often that he hits the bat? Are you talking about having a 50% win rate? Because that's a pretty good win rate. Goes break even when the market is turning up. I don't know, man. Honestly, my best advice to people is to quit trading. Most of you are not going to make it. But if you insist on trying more, you gotta just fucking study more, man. Read books. It's more than 95% fail rate. I think it's like 98%. Because most of you will waste your time and your energy on trading and you'll never make money. That's just reality. It's just I mean, actually, so if you selected for this, maybe not 95% of you guys, maybe more like 70% or something. Maybe the success rate is higher for people that are finding like Christian strategies. But if you really want it, just keep studying. I don't know what to tell you, man. You gotta like Read more books. People, especially fucking Americans, are just so not inclined to read. You know, study more. Yeah, the rabbit hole, I guess. Study more, right? Like you gotta find out, you gotta pick your stocks better. You don't have an edge in a lot of things that, institutions can do or like algos can do better than you. You have an edge in picking stocks and, finding out where institutions might be accumulating. Study more, read more books, understand market structure. It's just like this is all, I mean, no offense, man. It's just you don't need me to tell you this. You just got to study more. Because I don't know why you're breaking even, right? This could be a number of reasons. Maybe yeah, maybe maybe your risk is management is dog shit. I have no idea why. Yeah, I mean, if you keep at it, maybe you have success. But I've also heard people spend like 5 to 10 years and still breaking even. So anyway, man, this is why I hate BBAI. Yeah, read Weinstein, read Cooling, read Darvis. Like if you haven't read these three authors and like because they all talk about similar things. It's you got to drill market stretch in your head. There's no, what's your excuse, right? To me, that's the bare minimum. You don't have to read if you okay, like you don't even have to read the entire book. You just have to drill these concepts into your head. If you can't look at any given weekly chart and tell, where it is in stage one, stage two, stage three, and stage four, then you have no business trying to trade, in my opinion. You need to understand the purpose of the stock market too. The purpose of the stock market is not some bullshit about like raising, money for companies through offerings or anything. The purpose of the stock market is for institutions to accumulate stocks low and sell it to you and your parents and other suckers high, right? And then you can see how that happens. That's what you need to study. If you haven't gone back in time and looked at like all the leading charts, all the leading issues in the past, and looked up why they went up, not just the chart, people seem to forget that things go up for a reason, and you have no business trading. I mean, you can start trading too just to get some experience. But you like go back and look at the S&P 500, right? Look at major news events, see how they affect the markets. Like do everything. Do everything. You don't think I've done everything? Yeah, why not? Anyway, I'm not just do everything, do more. There's more that you can do. I did some shit in Berlin. I did not have sex in a sex club though. Dude, I gotta upload some custom emojis. Let's set some more alerts. Dude, you know what? There's no way to change the trading view alert sound, right? Like, isn't that fucking annoying? It's so shrill. It's starting to grate on me. Like, yeah, custom emojis for the chat. I should remember to do that. Just use 7TV? What is that? Oh, nice. It's an extension. Yeah, but I use the desktop app. You can change alert sound? Really? Am I retarded? Okay, and this question, I like you have a lot of small positions with small size, like 40 I saw in the last streams. I had like 34 positions at most. Too many trades I see get concentrated. Okay, so yes and no. There's nothing wrong with going concentrated. I do that sometimes. Okay, I have a big MSTR position, MicroStrategy position right now. In the past, I have gone really concentrated. That's not a bad thing to do. If you are fucking up doing that, then don't do it. If you know how to do it and you know when the right time is and what stock to do it in, then do it. A lot of the best traders talk about going going bug mode on their best setups, right? They'll go like exponentially larger size on their best setups. Maybe don't do that yet, but like if it's a good setup for you, and let's just say you can risk more on it, right? Or you can find a way to pyramid into it. That's not a bad thing. It's it's not a bad thing. Wait, you can change the alert sound in the app. Am I retarded? Yeah, you can pyramid. There's a lot of ways to. Wait, hold up. But ultimately with sizing, you gotta do what you know, I'm just saying that it's not necessarily a bad thing. That's all I mean. Oh, did you guys see that? No, you didn't see that, right? You guys can't see my settings, right? How do I find my alerts? You can change alert sound in the app? I don't think you can, dude. What are you talking about? Yeah, there's no way to change the alerts, guys. I can use system sound or system notifications. Oh. Why is it here? What the fuck? Oh my god, man. Why am I so stupid sometimes with this shit? Okay. Alright, thank you. Good lord. I guess alarm clock is probably better. Wait, oh, there's more? Oh my god. The International. I don't actually like the International. Holy shit, I'm so stupid sometimes. Like, this is what I'm saying. Is like, you have to. It's in the create alert menu. What's? Okay, these are kind of annoying. These are great. Thank you so much, man. So does if I change if I? Oh no, these are not good. Uh, cash register. Let's just play this. Okay. So if I make this alert, does it? Let's see. Does it make it so that the next time I set it, it also does this too? Well, let's see. Let's see. Please. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna cry. This is so good. The other thing I was thinking about doing though, okay, I actually have been to this menu before. I'm just stupid and forgot the sound thing because I remember you can set a webhook URL, right? I was thinking about setting up a local server so that it would read me the alert, like the because I want to know what the name is, and then if it's you know the level, right? So then I don't have to look at my phone or my computer to see what the to know what the alert is, so it can tell if it's important and actionable immediately or not. You know what I'm saying? Like webhook URL and then okay, fine. And then it you know goes to something that does a text to speech, right? And that tells me what exactly happened. Anyway, I'll do that probably when I'm. You know what? I have enough money to hire someone to probably hire someone from India to write that for me. No, but I can just do it myself, right? That can be too hard. I can just do it in Node or something. Okay, anyway. Oh yeah, I wanted to answer. Someone asked me why I trade MSTR instead of one of the ETFs, and the answer is that I believe the margin requirements are going to be the same. The margin requirements, like I'm pretty sure, like I just can buy more MSTR, and this way it's easier to chart, right? I don't have to like this chart is not like you guys know that you're not supposed to chart with the leverage ETFs, right? Because of decay. Like levels don't work. Um, but if you have a cash account, maybe you know obviously you should use the leveraged ETFs if you don't have access to margin. Yeah, I should use AI to write it. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, that's the answer. Okay, UMAC needs more time. If it goes back down to like 9-ish, I'm probably gonna reduce and just wait it out. Man, this is actually still pretty fucking thin, huh? 10%, 10 cent spread? Is that a 10? Okay, that's just over 1%. That's not horrible, but I don't like that. Same with this, 7-cent spread. What's a similar spread? This is better now. You could have bought today, I guess. I did not. What's what was I looking at? Some of these thin names are pretty interesting, like this one. And then yeah, work sport. Then what's the I wish this was wait, no. Yeah, I wish this was not so thin. This is a big exchange, right? This is like see the market cap on this is 6 billion. It's just I don't know why it's OTC. Maybe because crypto exchanges are yeah, I don't know. Damn, this name is crazy. Let me just I don't think I'm gonna trade it, but that's nuts. NVCR? What is this? I'm not really into it. This is not bad. You know what this reminds me of? I think I talked about this. It reminds me of like the Urban One setup from like I love this example. Maybe this setup. Although this backed is took longer. I don't know if I like BNTX. I have it watch here. But like for the most part, I don't know. I haven't seen much. Like biotechs have been pretty frustrating, no? Like what is like XBI and MBB? These are just I don't know, man. And then healthcare overall is looking pretty shitty. I'd rather stick to ARC names. There's not a lot of time where we can trade these Kathy Wood names, right? Sorry. I mean, for the last 2 years there hasn't been, but like maybe this goes back to like 130. There's no need to, you know. Oh shit, some of these names are getting. Anyway, um, yeah, this C chart is pretty good. What was I just thinking about? Oh yeah, like stuff like Altimmune. This is such a piece of shit. And this trade is mostly over. I just have, man, this is pretty thin. Or it's all right. It's not that thin. It's a little thin, but this is crazy. Xena is all the above. It's quantum computing too, I guess. Not military drones, but other random shit, I guess. But it's AIs, drones. I don't know. It's a ton of different shit. It might just be a scam. I don't know. But yeah, 2 million float. It's not bad. It's like drones as a service type shit, right? But if you don't know, just go to their website. AI drone as a service, quantum computing, and enterprise SaaS company. It's like okay. Feels like a bunch of buzzwords. Why did Hut gap today? Hut didn't get news, I thought, right? Hut didn't get any news, but it rejected like these 33 areas, I guess. Upgrade? Really? But it's 3 days. Is this okay, whatever. Yeah, Sana is I think I'm gonna wait. But I wouldn't blame you for trying it now. Should have bought it through 20. I don't know why not, I didn't. I just didn't like that it was like, it's kind of reminding me of Doximity, right? But this is obviously a better trender, like Doximity it broke through this initial level, right? But it had to get through the big level. So I think you can wait, but I wouldn't blame you for trying. Yeah, the Xena PR, yeah, I mean, but it's funny, right? Like, look at this shit. It's just like, look at this shit. Integrating quantum computing with AI-driven drones. Just like, this is a thirsty ass PR. FSC? Frankfurt Stock Exchange? Is that what is this? On. My app position still kind of is still annoying. Maybe I should have bought a little bit. I don't know about like this. Dude, I hate the stock, man. What the fuck? I bought it here, got stopped out. I bought it here, got stopped out. Oh man. Yeah, I just held it. I bought it here, stopped out, rebought it here, and just held it because I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna hold it now. As long as it holds a 20 day, right? That's what I was thinking. But Wolf lost a 20 day because fuck you. That's why. What did I just get? UI? I don't really care for this that much. This moves so slow. What, ARM is really moving? Are you sure? I mean ARM it's a good chart. Well, I mean obviously important stock. Oh, nice. Let's go, boys. Um, Dude, we're at one. Okay, nice. All right, I'm gonna go through gainers and then probably call it. I'm probably not gonna trade it. I just want to know if it goes. This one is horrible price action. The fuck? KC? Yeah, whatever. Interesting. Taiwanese semiconductor company. But like not the name, not TSM. Let me just add it here. Let's see what goes on. Did this get news today? Yes, it did. Okay. Analyst says it might be Nvidia and TSM supplier is what it is. Actually, let's just move this to 2. Oops, wait, no. All right, that's good enough. Let's see what was this again? That's some bullshit, right? Autonomous driving. Yeah. The 9th. Fine. I'll set an alert for like this trades like shit. I just want to see if it gets going. All right, guys. I am done. Gonna go touch grass. Later.